Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to view your connections, birthdays, job changes, work anniversaries and education updates. Sometimes you are confused with finding these. Therefore, you are missing a good opportunity to engage with your network. So let's see how to do this. Click on My Network. Then here you can see Catch Up. Click on it. Here you can see all updates for job changes, birthdays, work anniversaries and education. You can see here like this. If you want to see those updates category wise, just click on one of these category. When you click on job changes, you can see only job changes. But here it is not showing anything because it has turned off catch up updates about job changes. So we need to turn this on. I will show you how to do that after this. So when you click on birthdays, we can see birthday updates and work anniversaries and finally education. It is also turned off. Okay, now let's see how to turn on these updates. Here you can see your profile icon. Click on it. Then go to settings and privacy. Then click on notifications. Here you can find catch up updates. Click on it. Here you can see all network, catch up and notification settings. And these updates are turned off. So you can't see any updates for these under catch ups. To turn on, click on job changes. Then you can turn it on here. When you turn this on, you will get notifications in your LinkedIn app for these updates. Also, it will be shown under catch-ups. Then click on this button. Here also you can turn on push notifications. That means you will get notifications in your device immediately. Go back. Then we can turn on hiring and for birthdays. Likewise, you can turn on notifications for your network. So these updates will appear under catch up. That's it. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thumbs up, comment below and hit the subscribe button.